Get ready to witness some unforgettable moments as people face off against the unpredictable power of nature. From icy paths to wild storms, these clips show just how wild the outdoors can get and how we all try to endure it. This gazebo just wants to be free. I think it might be a little too windy for an umbrella. Go on a boat, they said. It'd be fun, they said. They fell so hard that the neighbor's light had to check if they were okay. When you find yourself literally fighting against the wind. The ocean doesn't approve of you relaxing. When the trash tries to take you out. Check out this Tarzan wannabe. I've never seen this surfboard maneuver before. When the wind's so strong that you turn into the Michelin Man. You tried to bring your cat in from the cold, and this is the thanks you get? I wonder what animal could possibly be in this dumpster. Don't worry, Miguel will help by recording the whole thing. Just a woman saving a stuffed panda from the snow. High heels in slippery wood. What could go wrong? When you hope that your day gets off to a good start. Looks like these gazebos have watched one too many wrestling videos. Sometimes slow and steady is better. When your umbrella decides to catch the rain instead. Look what the tide washed in. Maybe tuck them under your arms? I'll park a bit closer next time. when you're desperate to get to your car. I'm sure that ice is thick enough.
It's about to break. What I say, man? It's what do you expect? I think it's breaking. You don't listen. Come over here. Come this side.
Good thing the fence was there to break his fall. Mind your head. It's never fun falling over. But at least it gives you an excuse to post on social media. When the mud's so deep it tries to eat your shoes. Check out these dance moves. Are they at sensing human curling? When the weather doesn't want to let you back into the car. This kayak doesn't want to cooperate.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm sure that puddle's not too deep. That umbrella's not doing much to keep him dry. Also, where is he trying to go? Voice of an angel. Green box viciously trips up this poor person. It's always nice when people see the funny side of taking a tumble. This guy fell so hard his car woke up. This is where we'd play the Titanic music, if it wasn't copyrighted. I'm sure she'll make it. It's not too far to jump. Don't you just hate it when you're shoveling snow and fall into the back rooms? You put animals in rolling cages to make transportation easier, and the wind has other ideas.
This is crazy.
The snow picked its moment to attack. When the ocean loves your headwear, so decides to steal it. Another rebellious umbrella. These umbrellas decided to flip the script. Another puddle that doesn't look too deep. This ocean hates banana boats. Just because the ice looks thick enough doesn't mean it is. It's a bad time to practice running backwards when the tide's coming in. Adopting a powerful stance to battle the wind. This guy makes falling off his ladder look like an everyday occurrence. Sounds like the thunder just wants to say hello. She had an appropriate reaction to the question.
Everybody's in the crocodile. No. Are you ready for the crocodile?
An interesting reaction to a forest critter trying to be your friend.
He jumped on me!
This accident was unavoidable.
شوي شوي يا مصطفى غازي شوي شوي ما شفت الملة
When you tried to sunbathe in the ocean, but the waves have other ideas. That floodwater really wanted a bite. When the weather decides to throw golf balls at you. And they were never seen again. When an umbrella tries to outmaneuver you. When your umbrella tries to run away from its responsibilities. That's one way to sit on a rock. When your bag decides to make a bad day worse. It's coming right for you. When the bouncy castles had enough. When the ocean tries to drag you away. This reporter tries her best to stay professional, whilst the wind has other ideas. Took that turn a bit too sharply. Another dance tutorial. Another rebellious umbrella. When Bambi doesn't like you golfing. Getting the perfect picture can be tricky. The water's supposed to stay outside the boat. The crowd wants him to fail. I think the waves are trying to tell these surfers to stay away. This woman almost got Final Destination. When the ocean wants to join in on the selfie. Slippery rocks? This can only end well. When the seagull terminates the interview. Kid taking out the trash? No, trash taking out the kid. Someone's desperate for KFC. When the thunder decides to scare you. It's the stealthy water that you've got to look out for. Standing on a slippery bench, I can only envision good things happening. And they slid all the way back down. The wind really didn't want her to leave. Running fully clothed by the shore, what could go wrong? Stealth attack. Maybe close the umbrella before trying to move it. When the barbecue must go ahead, no matter what. The sound he makes at the end did not sound healthy. When you love icicles, but they don't love you. That snow shovel nearly went up him.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, you're done.
Why go to an ice rink when you have a parking lot? Don't worry, they're a highly trained branch balancer. There's no way they'd fall. When the umbrellas want to go swimming too. The wind really wants this guy to stay inside. This girl experiences the horror of a wet slide. When you just have to get to your car as fast as possible. Looks like her handbag threw away her phone in shock. I don't think opening the door is a good idea. The worst time to get overtaken. This umbrella really didn't like this guy. When your trampoline tries to fly away. I think this guy might be American. When the sheep turned into a ram. Sometimes you just want to enjoy the view, but the sea has other ideas. Summer selfie sabotage. When you get possessed by the spirit of Marilyn Monroe. Is it just me, or is that wave getting closer? At least his bag broke his fall. If only she had a bag to break her fall. When your car isn't a strong swimmer.
That's a man right there. She's good to see. I love to see it. I love to see it. He gonna go save her. He probably work out, you know. Strong man. Look at that. Look at that.
Hopefully none of the groceries were breakable. When you're trying to sleep, but a cricket has other ideas.
Shut the f up any place, man. Shut up. What's that a friggin' noise any place?
And this is why you always look both ways. when the wave spits at the camera. Never leave your camera unattended near the ocean. I don't know what the goal was here. This is why Edna Mode said no capes. Her hood is going supersonic. When you get caught trying to steal ice. Looks like someone's trying to be Mary Poppins. When the bin fights, you fight back.